Tuesday, August the 28th. Warm-up quiz is next. Problem 1. Solution: 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. And then go back and fill in everything else. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Number 2. Should have had 6 plus 8 plus 18 minus 11. That would have been 14 plus 18, which is 32, minus 11 is 21. Number 3. Everyone had that. Answer is 20. Number 4. Everybody had that. The answer is 11. Number 5. Answer on this one should be 5 plus 18 plus 4 minus 1. 23 plus 4 minus 1. 27 minus 1, which is 26. Pick a number from 1 to 10. The winning number today is 9. Time for the homework check. Need to see the answers for 1, 2, and 3. Answers are 5 over 9, 5 over 3, 21 over 32. Answers to 4, 5, and 6 are 2, 1, and 3 over 5. 7, 8, and 9 are 4, 2, and 1 over 6. Answers for 10, 11, and 12 are 9 over 25, 1, 25 over 9. Answers: 49 over 150, 3, and 2. Alright, today's objective is 9th grade number sense and operations, number 2. More specifically, it is to determine equivalency of numbers. Example number 1, very basic. -6 and 7. Is that less than, greater than, or equal to? Sign 1, sign 2, sign 3, which sign goes in that blank? Number 1, so it would be this way. This always points to the lesser number. This opens up to the larger number. Example number 2. 15 over 3 is what compared to 5? Less than, greater than, or equal to? Equal to, because 15 over 3 is the same thing as 5. Here's a practice problem. Bring this up and drop it off. -1.2 is what compared to -3.5? And for this one, a -1.2 is greater than a -3.5. The bonus problem. -6 is what compared to -1? Answer to this one should be less than. Bonus number 2. -1.5 is what compared to -1.5? Solution is equal. A -1.75 is what compared to 1 3/4? For the solution to the practice problem, a -1.75 is less than a positive 1 3/4. Bonus problem is -1.35 is what compared to a -1.3? For the solution here, look at it on a number line. If this is 0, this is a -1, we'll make this a -2. Let's say this is a -1.35. A -1.3 would end up on this side. Just think of it as negative 1.31, negative 1.32, 33, 34. The higher it gets, the further to the left you go. So if this were negative 1.3, this would be less than. Negative 1.35 is less than because it's further to the left on the number line. Here's another bonus. 5.07 is what in comparison to 5.7? On this one, 5.07 is less than 5.7. Example number 3. 5.2 repeating is what in comparison to 5.2? 5.2 repeating would be something like this. And the 3 dots means it goes on forever. The 5.2 stops at 0.2. Which one would be greater? Yeah, 5.2 repeating would be greater. Example number 4. Negative 1.7, whoops, can't have 2 points. We'll make that a 0. 1.5 is what in comparison to negative 1.5017? That would be less than. Bring this up and drop it off. 6.016 is what in comparison to negative 6.106? This one is easy because one is positive and one is negative. The positive has to be greater than the negative. The bonus problem is 1.85 is what in comparison to 1 and 17/25. 1.85 and compare that to 1 and 17/25. What is 17 divided by 25? 0.68. So which one is greater? 1.85, yes. Here's another bonus. 1.125 is what in comparison to 1 and 1/8? Alright, 1.125, but what is 1 divided by 8? 0.125, so it's 1.25. Should be equal. Practice number 4. 1 and 19/25 is what in comparison to 1 and 16/25? For the practice problem, 1 and 19/25 compared to 1 and 16/25. The whole numbers are the same. Which fraction is greater? 19/25. So that pushes it over the edge. Greater than. The bonus problem is a negative 3 and 1/2 is what in comparison to negative 3 and 3/4? Think of a number line and we'll call this negative 3 and this is negative 4. Off this way would be 0. Negative 3 1/2 would be right there. Negative 3 3/4 would be there. This is further to the left on the number line. Therefore, it's less than. This is greater than this. Homework assignment is coming up next.